Bili ka kasi.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sponsor sa ligang ito.
Ayan mga boss, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Nandito na naman tayo sa Barangay Santa Ana, Taytay Rizal, at manonood tayo ng laban ng Tangtap Manila versus Cyrus Choice. Mga boss, pakisubscribe po ng YouTube channel ng asawa kong si Connie Kajonos Vlog. Dalawa po kami nagbablog doon. Maraming salamat, pakisubscribe po. Start of the ball game.
Jericho Vares. Pass number 1, Dominguez. No good, nawan ni Vic Manuel. Pass 2, Salcedo. Number 45. Pass to Bulante. To number 9. Back to Vic Manuel. Arimado. No good, nawan ni number 1, Dominguez. Pass to number 13. Number 13, Leo Gomez. Pass to Negura. Lulo Santos, pass to Jericho Vares. 10 to shoot. Vares. No good, Nakawani. Number 45, number 45. Salcedo. Nakawani Cyrus Negura, pass to Jericho Vares. Easy 2 points by Jericho Vares. Arimado, paso Bulante, no turno kami sa ito si Tura. Steal ni Vic Manuel. Ulang, Bulante, paso Salcedo. Shot! Nakuha ni Cyrus. Tura. Pass to Vares. Pass to Delos Reyes. 10 to shoot. Number 1, no good. Number 15. No good, Nawani. Bulante. Number 45, Salcedo. Wala. Nawala niya Cyrus Negura. Pass to number 13, Leo Gomez. No good. Rebound by Armando. Pass to Salcedo. Pass to number 9. Salcedo. Pass to Bulante. 3 points by Bulante. Ludones. Pass to Cyrus Negura. Tumira, wala. Nakuha ni Manuel. Pass break kay Bulante.
Sakto, no?
Number 45. No good. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9. Paculio. 2 points by Dominguez. Bulante. Pass to number. Baculio. 3 points. Back to back. By Baculio. Jericho. Pass to Nitura. To Dominguez. Same ball.
Sobrang sakit.
Nitura.
Uwi na
Sumalaksak. Wala. Nakakuha ni Pinasa. Nawalo namin. Bulanda ito. Salcedo wala.
Salcedo na.
Nitura. Pass to Jericho Pares. Pares. Sumalaksak wala. Nakakuha ni Big Manuel.
Wala.
To Arimado. 3 points by Arimado. Noy Arimado. Leones. Nagdadala na bola pinasa kay Jericho Pares. To Leones. Nitura. Wala. Nakuha ni Arimado. Pass to Baculio. Baculio to Big Manuel. Short. Ganda nun. Nakuha ng 25. To Fernandez. No. Rebound by Nitura. Steal by Arimado. Big Manuel. 2 points by Big Manuel. Sana. Mitch Pascual. Pascual. To Kalimag. Kalimag.
Sa UP yan, sa UP.
3 points by Kalimag. Roy Arimado. Paso Salcedo. No good. By Big Manuel. To Kalimag. Kalimag. Paso Dominguez. Dominguez. Rebound by Noy Arimado. Noy Arimado. Pass to Salcedo. Salcedo for Jammer. Wala. Nakakuha ni Dominguez. To Kalimag. Kalimag again. 3 points by Kalimag. Solane. Pass to Big Manuel. Big Manuel. 2 points by Big Manuel. Lukot na lukot. Mix. Pass to Kalimag. Back to Kalimag. Number 7 Kalimag. 2 points by Kalimag. 8 straight points by Kalimag. Big Manuel. Pass to Salcedo. Block. Pero may kasama foul. One out of 2 by Salcedo. Kalimag to Pascual. Back to Kalimag. Kalimag, double step back. No good. Nakuha ni Salcedo. Pass to Paquique. Steal by Kalimag. To Cyrus Nitura. Nitura. Pass to Dominguez. Wala. Nakuha ni Salcedo. Steal by Nitura. To Dominguez. Out of bounds. Same ball. Kalimag. To Kalimag again. No good. Rebound by Vic Manuel. To Dumilla. Triste. Pass to Esguera. Esguera. 2 points by Mac Esguera. Pascual. To Kaliman. Pass to Dominguez. Dominguez to Mosted. Black. Pabique. To Triste. Triste. Easy 2 points by Triste. Kalimag. No good. Now, rebound by Biconet. Biconet pass to Pabique. Pabique to Dumilla. Pass to Vic Manuel. Vic Manuel. No good. Rebound. Rebound by Esguera. To Mato. No good again. Mato again. Mato easy to ball by Mato.
Tatlong lutan.
Pascual. To Nitura. Back to Pascual. Pasok Kalimag. Kalimag. Wala. Out of bounds. Triste. To Mato. Mato. To Esguera. Esguera traveling. Pascual. To Kalimag. Pascual. No good. To Dominguez. Dominguez. William. Foul. Gusto. Pasok. Ang una. 2 seconds remaining time. Two. Out of 2 by Dominguez. Steal by Kalimag. End of the first quarter.
End of first quarter.
Official score 13-23 in favor of Tang-Tak Manila.
23 in favor of Tang-Tak Manila.
Shout out to my people. Show my Nissan Marco. Shout out them. Dito na itong tubig lang. Short! Yellow ball. Sa Roy's ball. Pascual. To Kalimag. Rebound by Marco. Jump ball. Sa Roy's ball. Second shot clock. Kalimag to Nitura. Nitura. 3 points by Cyrus Nitura. Twisted to Pabique. Pass to Vic Manuel. To Esguera. 3 points by Esguera. Nitura again. 3 points by Cyrus Nitura. Back to back. 3 points. Pabique easy 2 points by Pabique.
Lakas ng lubo. Liit lang.
Nakita doon. Pascual. Steve. Ituria to Pabique. 2 points by Pabique.
Kamiki.
Kaliman to Pascual. Back to Kaliman. Kaliman drive block. Pero may pass. Pasok back una. Miss block. 2-2 by Domínguez ay Kaliman. Kaliman, umix Pascual, wala pa rin. Rebound by Triste. Triste to back Esquera. Esquera, no good. Wow. Kamike, no good. Rebound by Triste. To Esquera, back to Kamike. Steal by Kaliman. Kaliman drive. Wow! Wow! Two by Kaliman. Substitution. Kamike out. Triste, Pumangala, Mato, wow! What a move by Mato! Nicola, to Pascual, pass to Kaliman, Kaliman to Kaliman, Dominguez, block, rebound by Esquera to Abangala, Abangala. Pass to Esquera, Esquera break, Esquera drive, pass to Macdonald. No good. Rebound by Nitura. Nitura, pass to Dominguez. Dominguez. Save ball. Pascual. Floater, no good. Rebound by Kabangkana to Triste. Triste, lumipad. Kaliman, pass to Nitura, to Pascual, back to Nitura. Wow. Dominguez, to Nitura, Nitura, no good, rebound by Magno, to Baculio. Salcedo to Baculio. Baculio, no good. Rebound by Nitura. To Zach Pares. 2 points by Jericho Pares. Magno to Triste. 2 points by Triste.
Parang dadapik.
Ay, sa kabali na sa sunat. Ganda na sa ako. Ay, malay mo na agad. Kamakala. Tumagno. Pahulyo. Nagdadalang wala. Kasi kung kamakala, kamakala. So good. Rebound by Triste. Salcedo, so good, rebound by Magno. 2 points by Magno. Ang lakas po. Parang hindi wala sa loob.
Tambak eh.
Dominguez. To Jericho Pares. Paso sa Nitura. Short. Rebound by Magno. To Kabangkala. Kabangkala. Kabangkala.
Bangkala.
Pares. Wala, nakuha ni Nora. To Dominguez. No good. Rebound, pero may foul. Bangkala. To Salcedo. Salcedo to Baculio. Baculio to Big Manuel. Big Manuel. Easy 2 points by Big Manuel. Jericho Pares. Paso ni Tura. To Kalimag. Kalimag. 3 points by Kalimag. Kabangkala. To Salcedo. Pares. Ganda naman. 2 points. Kabangkala. Steve may abyog. Kaso ni Tura. Wala. Rebound by Pares. Pero may foul. Wala ang una. Asang ka, Jaward? Zero out of 2. Kay Jericho Pares. Baculio. Hinahanap si Manuel, pero kay Bangkala. 3 points by Armado. Jericho Pares. Pass to Cyrus Nitura. Back to Pares. Pares. Pass to Abion. Abion. No good. Kalimag. To Nitura. Nitura. Steal by Big Manuel. Pass to Arimado. 2 points by Noy Arimado. Pares. To Nitura. No good. Rebound. Rebound by Nitura. Pass to number 45, 2 points. Ramadan. Big Manuel, 2 points by Big Manuel. Jericho Pares to Abion. 3 points. Baculio to Bangkala. No good. Rebound by Baculio to Big Manuel. Easy 2 points by Big Manuel. Tamay ka. 55 seconds remaining time. Pares to Abion. Abion. What the pass. Rebound by Bangkala. To Arimado, 2 points by Arimado. Ramadan, 2 points by Ramadan. Kabangkala. Pass to Salcedo. To Big Manuel. No good. Nitura. 2 points at the buzzer.
End of second quarter.
And
Score
the first half. 55 to 40.
40-55 in favor of Tank Top Manila.
Farm Resort. LA Private Resort. Tigat Clothing. Tank Top Manila.
Third quarter.
Bajulio to Salcedo. Salcedo to Arimado. Paso volante. Bajulio again. Paso Big Manuel. Big Manuel. Steal by Nitura to Jericho Bares. Bares. No good. Rebound by Volante. Volante to Bajulio. Back to Volante. To Arimado. Arimado fake. Drive. No good. Rebound by Nitura. To Abion. Pass to Rabadan. Back to Nitura. To Jericho Pares. Jericho Pares drive. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Pares. To Dominguez. No good. Rebound by Volante. Volante. Steal by number 3. Nitura. To Abion. To Dominguez. Block. Very foul. Pasok. To other 2 by Dominguez. Bajulio. Steal by Pares. To Rabadan. 2 points by Rabadan.
Walang tigil eh.
Arimado. Back to Arimado again. To Bajulio. Salcedo. Dominguez pala. Nitura. To Abion. 3 points by Abion.
Ang dami shooting. Kanina pa yung tumitira eh.
Big Manuel to number 9. Arimado, 3 points. Bares, 2 points by Jericho Bares. Wow. Number 9, Bajulio to Big Manuel, Norwood. Rebound by Nitura. Nitura to Dominguez. Norwood. Rebound by Bajulio. Pass break to Big Manuel. 2 points by Big Manuel. Bares. To Abion. Back to Bares. Dominguez. Wow! Pasok ako na. ang bonus shot ni Dominguez. William to Baculio. Baculio to Volante. Rebounds. 2 points by Volante. Kaliman. No good. Rebound by Volante. Volante. Paso Triste. Triste. No good. Rebound by Volante. Volante again. Pass to Triste. Triste. Easy 2 points by Triste. Pascual. Tunidura. Back to Pascual. To Kalimang. Pascual again. Back to Kalimang. Kalimang foul. Foul si number 9. Warning for penalty. Nitura, 3 points by Cyrus Nitura. Number 5, Triste. Pass to Volante. Back to Triste. To Big Manuel. Pass to Salcedo. Salcedo to Triste. 2 points by Triste. Nitura. To Pascual. Back to Nitura. No good. Triste. To Manto. Back to Triste. Two-man play. Magno. No good. Rebound by Magno again. Magno. 2 points by Magno. What the hesitate. Kalimang. Tunidura. Wow.
Oh, siya lang. Tamad yung kakampi niya.
Bubujoge by Dominguez. Triste. Pass to Magno. To Big Manuel. Big Manuel. No good. Rebound by Pascual. To Bares. Bares. Wow. No good. Rebound by Kalimang. 2 points by Kalimang. Triste. To Marco. Marco. Pass to Salcedo. Jump shot. 2 points by Salcedo. Steal by Big Manuel. To Volante. Volante. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Volante again. 2 points by Volante.
Wala, kamla yung kakampi niya.
Kalimang. No good. Rebound by Triste. Triste. 2 points by Triste. Bares. Huwag mo na Bares. Ayan o. Bares. Back to Bares. Steal by Manuel. Pass to Isquera. 2 points by Isquera. Pwede na kalamakan.
20 na.
Bares. 3 points by Jericho Bares. Wow. Siyempre sa kasal. Triste. Steve. By number 14, Kalima. Wow! Who's forward? Number 8.
Kung nandyan yung dalawa kayo na laban sa
Number 2. Substitution. Pascual out. Abio in. Salcedo. Steve. Painitura. To Jericho Bares. For Kalima, 2 points by Kalima. Vic Manuel. Wow. Wow, pasok ang una. Two for two by Vic Manuel. Leodones, Tumitura, paso avión, bajo Leodones, steal by Magno, to Izquierda, paso Magno again, there make gravity violation. Avión, paso to Bares, to Leodones. 3 points by Leodones. Vic Manuel. 5 seconds. No good.
End of third quarter. Score.
Fisher score 83 to 71 in favor of
71-83
Tangtap Manila.
in favor of Tangtap Manila. Fourth quarter.
Kalimag, pass to Nitura, back to Kalimag, 2 points by Kalimag. 10 na lang ang kailangan. Triste, pass to Salcedo, short, rebound by Nitura, to Abio, 2 points by Abio. Single digit na lang, kalamangan. Vic Manuel. Paso Triste. Triste. No good. Rebound by Nitura. Nitura. Right. To Dominguez. 2 points. Time out. Tigdalo po. Time out. Sa magkabilang komunan. Triste. Wala! Rebound by Magno! To Triste. Pass to Arimado. Steal by Kalimag. Kalimag. To Abel. Offensive foul. Magno. Paso Triste. Steal by Leodones. Pero nakuha pa rin Triste. To Salcedo, short. Pass back to Abion. 2 points by Abion. Twisted. To Arimado. Wow. Arimado. 3 points by Arimado. Yudones to Alimag. To Nitura. Binawi agad. 3 points by Nitura. Manuel. Pasok Arimado. Steve. By Nidones to Kalimag. Pasok Nitura. Nitura naman. Policy number 5. Nidones to Abion. Abion. 3 points. By Abion. Nakatulong ka naman. Big Manuel. Paso Salcedo. Naulog pa rin. Nitura. Lumipad. 2 points by Salus Nitura. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Tangtap Manila. Arimado. No good. Rebound by Dominguez. Pass to Nitura. To Abion. Abion! Tangtap Manila.
Lamang ng Cyrus Choice ng isa. Parang engop naman.
Baculio. Paso Big Manuel. Big Manuel. Paso Baculio. Back to Big Manuel. Big Manuel. No good. Rebound by Magno. Block by Nitura. Rebound by Baculio. To Arimado. 3 points by Arimado.
Yun.
Leodones to Nitura. Nitura. Paso Dominguez. Dominguez. 3 points by Dominguez.
Tinirahan siya eh.
Grabe naman yan. Namumula ng 3. Pasok ang una. Tie ball game. Number 2 by Arimado. Dominguez. Pass to Nitura. Nitura, no good. Rebound by Leodones to Nitura. Half time, no good. Rebound by Baculio. Pass to Big Manuel. Grab to Abion. Pass to Nitura. 2 points by Nitura. Baculio. Pass to Magno. No good. Pero may foul. Abion. Arimado. Big Manuel, no good again. Rebound by Nitura.
Lilipan dyan.
Rebound, foul. Julio. No good. Rebound. Other ball. Bola, bola. Kalimag. Newtones. Paso Nitura. Nitura drive, no good. Julio. Pasok natin. Wow! Pasok. Ako walang gusto. Number 2 by Volante. Kalima. Skill by Pares to Nitura. Last 2 minutes. Volante. Paso Salcedo to Manuel. 2 points by Big Manuel. Dominguez. Tonitura. 3 points by Nitura. All 100. Magno to Manuel. Manuel, wala. Rebound by Salcedo. Salcedo to Volante. Volante, no good. Rebound by Nitura. 0-1. Nitura, 2 points by Cyrus Nitura. Julio. No good. Rebound by Jericho Pares to Dominguez. Wow!
Na lang yan.
Wala. Rebound by Nitura. Wow!
Natalong bigla eh.
Dahil pinakawala eh.
Oh. Ako, talo.
Time out. Game over. Jump ball.
Wala na, dribble pa. End of the ball game. Score 105-100. Panalo ang Siruyes Choice. Mga boss, hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlogs at huwag nyo kalilimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel, Boss Alan Vlogs, at isama nyo rin ang Kajonas Vlog. At nagpapaalala sa inyo, bawal mamatay, mabuhay!